you guys, I have finally hit the threshold for YouTube. So you had to have like 240,000 minutes and of watch time and 1,000 subscribers before you can be monetized, before you can get ads on your videos. We have finally hit that, and I'm honestly speechless. Like, I cannot thank you guys enough, but to give you guys a little thank you, I'm doing a giveaway, and in this video I'm giving 4 products away. So we are going to have 4 winners in this. So that's just a little thank you. They are periodically throughout the video, so make sure you guys watch all of the video. And I want you guys to tell me which product you want most. And if you don't get that product, if you still win, I will give you one of the 4. So each product like differs in the price range, so I will put the prices down below. But one of the products, this is the last one, but it's really the first one because I'm doing the intro, but I'm actually doing the intro last. So this is the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer. You guys know how avid I am about skincare. So I wanted to throw some sort of skincare in here, and this has really great ingredients in it. And I know this e.l.f. Jelly Pop line has really gotten a lot of attention. So that is one of the products. Like I said, the rest will just be periodically. But we do a tutorial on this look, and I'm trying out a new product. So it turned out so well. I'm also giving away the palette that I used today. Of course, I bought 2 of them. I'm not giving you guys used makeup. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, being here, supporting my channel. All of you guys that comment on every one of my videos, I cannot thank you all enough, honestly. So if you guys want to get started, don't forget to watch the video and figure out which one you want the most. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so our first giveaway prize is the Sunset Skies Ulta Beauty palette. This is new. It has a little card here. That is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Like, as soon as I seen this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. And of course I wanted to get one for you guys. So this is the palette that I'm going to be giving away. It had an outer package, but I had to remove that to make sure it wasn't broken, because the other one I got, which of course is the one that I'm going to be keeping, is broken. Like, I'll try to let you guys see a little bit there. You can see that top middle shade is shattered. So I'm still going to use it, but I'm just going to try to use it very carefully. So we are going to do a tutorial with this, and then throughout the video you guys will see the other prizes. So yeah, let me kind of blow this off and then we'll get started. That took me a minute to get this cleaned off, so I'm going to show you in this palette what we're going in with. And I'm first going to go in with Ember. I don't want to touch your palette here, so I want to go in with Ember right there. And we're going to put that in the crease. These are powdery, but not too bad. Oof. Holy cow, they are pigmented. Like, I wasn't even expecting that much pigment. I'm going to switch to a different brush and start to blend this. Wow. Okay, and you guys can see, like, that is blending out beautifully. Like, I was kind of taken back there with that because I was not expecting near that much pigment. Thank goodness it is blending out really good. And I've had pretty good luck with Ulta shadows, but I had never seen them in this kind of setting, like this package. They remind me a lot of the Stila shadows, and I used to love those. So I had to get this. These are $20 a piece. So from this shade, it is looking like it's gonna be a good one. All right, I have a packing brush here, and I am going to go in with this guy right here at the bottom, and we're gonna pack that on our outer lid here. Like, these shades are just so pigmented. Like, holy cow. And I'm just wedging that right up in the crease there. And while I'm at it, just to use some more shades, I'm going to grab that one right there. Sorry I'm having to go back and forth with these palettes. And I'm just gonna add a touch of that. Like, you can see how that deepened it up quite a bit. I'm gonna grab a little blending brush and just lightly blend out these edges. I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it on the brow bone and just use it to blend out our shades a little bit better. I'm gonna do a couple of swatches, and I have them on my fingers. Holy shnikes. Yeah, I definitely recommend this palette. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, Ulta is bringing it. Bringing it. Right there's the other metallic shade. I'm going to use this one. Just because, I don't know why. It is intriguing to me. So I'm going to grab that on my finger. You guys, that is so beautiful. Like, if you cut the crease, yeah, that would be stunning. I grabbed a little bit of that darker shade. We're gonna put it right there on the outer edge. I just cannot believe how pigmented these are. I'm gonna take that golden shade there and put it on our inner corner. Holy cow. Now we are going to stop for a second, and I am going to show you guys the next product in the giveaway. And it is MAC Fix Plus. This is one that I think everyone should have sitting on their vanity wherever you guys do your makeup. This is the lavender version. I love this one, and the coconut, and the original. But I love this. I'll look up the price to see exactly how much these are. I ordered it a little while back, and I've totally forgotten how much it is. But it is a staple. It makes your makeup look so just fresh, and it sets everything really nicely. But I'm telling you guys, you can spray your brushes to wet them and apply your makeup or your eyeshadow. I'm so excited I cannot talk. But it is just that good. It melts all the powders into your skin beautifully. So I'm gonna go off camera. We will come back and do the lower lash line and all that jazz. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, loves, let's work on this lower lash line. I'm gonna grab my fat little pencil brush and go in with the pinkier shade and kind of connect it to the top. And then I'm gonna grab the two other shades and run them right underneath. I took this one and this one. Now I'm gonna show you another product that you guys can win. This is the LA Girl Get Feverish eyeshadow palette. I did a review of one of these several months ago, and this is a wonderful palette. This is the more warm toned one. It's got a protector and a big mirror, and it's just stunning. So I absolutely love this Ulta palette. It worked so well. I believe they had two others I'm definitely gonna pick up. the more neutral one. But wow, they blended out so beautifully. You guys seen that? I'm so glad that I tried this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review and giveaway, and I cannot thank you guys enough for watching my channel, for supporting me, for commenting, for liking. I honestly cannot thank you guys enough for that. I'm honestly speechless. So thank you. I truly thank you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enter the giveaway. All the rules will be in the description box. And of course, you know, I told you guys at the beginning of this video, but yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, enter this giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.